Hey everyone, this is Nathan from AlgoSPX. Based on the feedback from the last video, as well as our Discord channel, we want to show you a live trade on how we execute, manage, and profit on our positions. So here's a live trade from today, Friday, the 6th of November. Without much ado, let's get into the live trade right away. So we like to wait about an hour after the market opens to start our trade to let the volatility settle down. So it is around 7:40 a.m. Pacific time. We're about 1 hour into the market open. Looking at the markets, we are actually quite stable, even considering the electoral volatility today. So even though the market is calm right now, I expect a little bit of volatility as the day progresses, and I'm going to look at the trade for the day. So here we have the Iron Condor going to the 7 Delta. So we're looking at a 40-point wide spread today, which is the 34.45, 34.05 put credit spread. And we see there's the net credit of $1, but we get filled at 95 cents. So similarly, we would enter the same delta on the call side. And here I am looking at the strikes being the 35.50, 35.90 call credit strikes, which gives us around 60 cents of credit premium. So looking at the day, we're fairly well positioned, and I'm going to go ahead and add stop losses in here. Because, as we know, stop losses are at the center of our system and protect our profitability. We always trade with a hedge, and we always trade with stop losses. And we actually don't care if the stop losses are hit, because we can recover those losses well within the same day and be net profitable by the end of the trading day. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the stop losses. We have a rule that we follow here, that the stop losses are going to be 2.5 times the credit that we received for the original short leg. So looking at the short leg on the put side, the 34.45 put had a credit of $1.20. So the stop loss is going to be around $3, which is 2.5 times our credit. The stop is at $3, and the stop limit is going to be at 3 as well. I am going to send the stop limit order so that we don't have to monitor the market. This is why many of our Discord members are able to work full-time and follow along closely, even if they're unable to monitor the market live. Similarly, we do the same for the call side as well. The short call side, for which we got a credit of 70 cents, adds stop loss in the leg to be 3 times the original credit, as this looks to be an update today. The stop loss would be at $2.10, and the stop limit would be at $2 even. Now that the stop losses for the call side and the put side are intact, we're finally looking good. We're already up $250 for the day, and we'll check back in an hour if needed for any adjustments. So it's about 9:15 a.m. Pacific time. Our position looks great. Looking at our risk profile, we're well centered with a net delta of negative 26, which is great. We can never be zero delta when the market swings. I am removing the stop orders we had originally, as they're not needed anymore. So that puts us up about 1900 on the day this far. We are now going to roll down our put side to get in a little more premium while keeping the same delta. Rolling up the puts to the 34.60, 34.20, and closing out the original short positions. We get filled at a net credit of 25 cents for this roll down. Similarly, rolling up the call side to 35.45, 35.85, we get filled at a net credit of 10 cents for the roll-up. The put premiums tend to be a little more expensive because sell-offs tend to be violent, whereas on calls, the rallies tend to be a little more gradual. As before, I'm going to add the stop limit orders on the short call and short put positions. We are up around 1900 on the day so far and looking good. The market looks stable and our risk looks well positioned. So we still leave the long call legs intact to save on a bit of commission, and also these are lottery tickets if the market does rally. Long calls could be immensely profitable. Again, the edge in our system is the consistency and adjustments we make. All our trades are sent out on the Discord channel instantaneously for our members to follow along. So now we're getting to the close of the trading day. A few more rolls and stop losses were added and alerted. We are at 12:59 p.m., the last minute of the trading day. Good day of trading today, and there is very little extrinsic value left in our short legs. So we are far away from the market with at least 10 points away on both legs, and I am planning on these options expiring worthless. So there we go. Up about 45.50 on the day, and the market just closed at 35.09.53. So, just to conclude, a few alerts and controlled trading today have yielded significant profits. Again, we emphasize consistency and reliable trading. Here at AlgoSPX, we've mastered a system that benefits from time decay and gains according to the mathematical law of probabilities. The systems that we trade also have the highest expectancy. Alright everyone, don't forget to check out the Discord channel where we are still running a free trial for the next week. Great day, and happy profits everyone.